What do you know about sound dust? Wow. Welcome to Qatar. This is sound dust, you can see. And I could feel, yeah, I could see it's gonna rain after this. So let's watch this transformation of the weather from AB Gaga. It's officially the first rain in Qatar for the year 2023 on Thursday 26th, and it happened approximately 1
First rain in Qatar
PM.
year 2023.
First rain of the year 2023 on Thursday
First rain,
26th.
first rain.
And what do you see? The rain stopped and the weather is bright again. Wow. Officially it launched. Welcome to the winter period in Qatar. Yeah. 3 weathers in one. We'll bring it back again.